Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get access to ChatGPT Plus without having to pay anything at least for a while. So normally ChatGPT Plus costs around $20 a month. There's also ChatGPT Team which goes for about $200 a month if you're using it for business or group work. But here's something not a lot of people know. If you're a student, you can get a 2-month free trial of ChatGPT Plus through an official program powered by Sheer IT. So here's how it works. Just go to OpenAI student offer page, sign in with your account, and verify your student status using Sheer ID. If you're eligible, you'll instantly unlock 2 full months of ChatGPT Plus completely free. Same features, no strings. This is a legit offer directly from OpenAI, and it's perfect if you want to explore everything ChatGPT Plus has to offer without paying upfront. So keep in mind, the offer is only available in certain countries, and some schools may not be supported. But if you're a student and it works for you, it's a total win. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.